Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special, I do believe, Amazon Prime unboxing do, or just might be a normal unboxing. We're to find out what's inside. Thank you guys for watching. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is the end of the month already. It is flying by, guys. Like super crazy fast. But definitely excited for the new month of July ahead. We got the fireworks going. Oh yes, we got something special here coming from Yubi. So this might be an unboxing. We're going to do two separate ones. This is going to be the NB-G01 gaming headphone, PC or laptop, PS4, Xbox One, the Nintendo Switch. Oh yes, so definitely need a new one for the PS4. Now I got one. Hopefully you guys can see it, because it looks kind of dark. Oh. Newbie. So check them out. I'll leave the links down below. So there's all the good stats. USB to 3.5. Cable length. USB to 3.5 jack. RGB LED colorful lighting. Oh, sweet. So probably lights up right in this section. Oh boy. Let's take a look inside and see what did they bring me today. Okay. Just a manual. We don't need that right now. Hopefully it looks alright. My end looks kind of blurry, but we shall see. It is super sunny out though. Supposed to be a hot one today here in Michigan. Here we go, here we go. Whoa, these are nice ones, to be honest. Cut me off guard. Hey, check out these cords. All you Twitchers out there, vloggers, this would be a nice one to get. Alright, how do we untwine this? Oh no, there it goes. It's got to untwine the little doo-doo that holds it together. Yeah, Lucy. There we go. Oh yeah, oh no. I'm definitely going to be heading back on to Twitch. Just had a few busy weeks, so if you guys want to see some gameplay action, hit the follow button on my Twitch network. Bada boom. Oh, okay. So you have it normal. Plug this in. Boom. I think the green is Xbox. And this one might be PS4 and Nintendo Switch. That's what my guess would be. But I think I could bring out the controller. That might help. Oh yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back. That is a long stroll down memory lane. What we got here is, oh no, PS4. And I'm definitely thinking about getting the PS5. Bada boom. Plug it in. And also, all they can use a PC. Let's see. There. Oh, these are flexible. I'm gonna put these over. Yeah, these feel good, guys. Really soft around the ear. No air sweat. Yeah, these feel really good, guys. Should turn it on. see what I gotta do here. Switch cord. Connector. Okay, I'm gonna go on the Xbox. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got it rocking and rolling with these newbie. Hopefully you guys can see it. Right there, newbie. Really comfortable. Great sound. Everything sounds equal with the treble, the bass. Sounds volumes right there. These light up once you plug the USB in. LED mode, RGB. So really cool, guys. Get these at a low cost. All you gotta do is click the link down below and see what other goodies they have to offer. And definitely though, keep this in mind. Newbie gaming stereo headphones. Awesome. Got FIFA going on in the background. Oh yeah. Like I said, I'll be on Twitch tonight. Definitely check these guys out for your gaming accessory needs. And get this at a low cost, fast ship to you in no time. Alright, YouTubers, be safe and see you in the next video.